Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kathy here with OMG Tesla. Today we are going to be putting in those rear mats that I got the other day, and I want to really check out what it looks like because I have heard reports of people saying this rear trunk mat is too big for their trunk. So let's take a look. Alright, so now we are going to be putting in that rear trunk mat, and it should go in as easily as just putting it on top. So it is a little bit large and snug. That corner I need to push in, so let's go ahead and do that. So it is super snug. It kind of is a little too big. If you guys can see the edge here, this is the lip of it, which is perfect, but the fact that it's like kind of hanging over this is a little nerve-wracking, just because of the way the door sits on the trunk. So those are the mats. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I personally won't be returning them because, as you saw, the rear hatch was able to close, so it's no big deal. I think the mats look fine and they will serve its purpose. We're going to be snowboarding and putting our boots back here, so whatever. If you guys want to purchase a pair for yourself, links are in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!